my name is Anthony and this is my wife Wei Ching, and we work full-time for the church and we lead the campus ministry full of poly students.
My name is Sarah. I am turning 18 this year in a month's time, and yeah, I came to church because I was born in church. Like, my mom was pregnant when she was already coming to church, so yeah, here I am, still here. Yep. How about you?
I'm Steffi, I'm 19 this year. Yeah, I also grew up in church. My parents met in church.
I'm Wesley, 20 this year. I was brought to church 3 years ago by Sarah. We met in secondary school and she just told me, yeah, let's come to church and check it out. And so I came along and now I'm here.
My name is Samuel and I'm 23 this year. How I came to church was when I was in K1, my kindergarten teacher, she reached out to my mom and she invited her to church, and that's where my mom brought me and my brothers and basically my whole family to church. There was like a few years that I didn't really, like basically I stopped coming, but after that I continued to come. That's why, yeah, I'm here today.
Well, to me, retreats is kind of like a time where we take time off from our busy lives, our schedules, our work and school, and to take time away from all these things, and we go to a place where we can connect to God and we can connect to one another as well.
Especially this year, there's been like so many things happening in my life, and I just feel that I've lost grip of like God. There's no better time than this retreat, I feel, to really just dig deep into His Word and really just reprioritizing the things that I need in my life.
Yeah, just knowing more about the scriptures and fellowshipping more with people that I've never met before and hearing more perspectives of God.
Yeah, just being able to create new memories in a very like exciting place. Yeah, I'm really quite excited about the floating village. Yeah.
I already told her that like I'm gonna be the overly attached best friend during the retreat because like I miss like spending time with her, and I know that yeah, it's gonna be a very fun retreat.
This time we are back in JB and we will be going to Kukup tomorrow, and it's gonna be a place where hopefully we can enjoy a little bit of nature, a little bit of the sea, and well, not much of the sun because of the haze, but yeah, hopefully, prayerfully, it'll be good weather.
So today we had lunch together first, like all of the disciples having lunch together at Wall of God. So that was quite, it was nice to be back there.
What do you eat?
Mee Hoon Kway.
I had pattaya rice, which I waited for 30 minutes.
Cut this part out also.
We just came in and we just settled down. We never really do much, except the preparation for the Bible Bowl. I think which was really very fun. I mean, like everyone was just going all out and just trying to do their best to answer those questions. It was quite hilarious. I mean, certain answers.
So Bible Bowl is something like a trivia game, obviously regarding the Bible. So we were given 2 chapters of the Bible, 1 Thessalonians chapter 1 and 2. So within an hour, we had to read as much as we can, context, author, things like this. And after that, the first segment of the game was the group, and so everyone could contribute, and we had a minute to answer every question that was shown by Anthony and Wei Ching. And so that was kind of fun, and I think we did well. Yeah, I think we did well. And after that, it was the solo questions, and that was a little bit more difficult and more pressurizing. But I think we tried our best. I guess that's all that matters.
I'm feeling quite excited. Like then again, yeah, you cannot tell the answer, but I'm quite excited about tomorrow because tomorrow we are going to Kukup.
Yeah, that is got
resort.
karaoke. Yeah, it's like chalet, got aircon, got bed. It's got karaoke, got like, I was like, what? Yes! Yeah, so I'm quite excited about it.
I'm so excited for tomorrow.
So yeah, that's my friend. Good night. Yeah, good night to you.